In this video, I want to show how staff and teachers can record and submit their expense sheets. I'm starting from the teacher home and I'm going to the expense button, and what it asks for initially is your username. This has dumped my name in there because it grabbed my user account, but I'm not part of the system, so I will use my Julia Roberts account. Type in her password and click the OK button, and that will then bring me to a list of the employee expense sheets for Julia Roberts. These are the ones I have drafted up, and it gives you the employee, the purpose, the amount, the status, whether it's submitted, approved, or is still in draft. Draft meaning that it has been, you're drawing it up, or approved means it's approved. So, and again, I will just open, well, for example, this one, and you can see it defaults puts, well, maybe what I should do is just create a new one, for example. Okay, and I'll just create a new one. Yes, a new one. And so it's done is it's dumped in her name, email, phone number. It's put the date and number and set the status as draft. So the purpose is why you incur these expenses. You then can put in the date by clicking here and puts in the date, the description of what is it is. You know, it's a book of photos or something. I'll just do that. And receipt, yes or no, meaning is a receipt attached to this thing. And then you can put in the cost, for example, $25,000. Yeah. It then goes to the next line, and you can keep on working this thing through. It then asks you about attachments or no attachments. If you're attaching the receipt, yes, put yes, and it gives you the total. And if there was a cash advance towards this thing, so if the school gave you $10,000 to buy it, or say $20,000, it was $5,000 more, you would then enter in the $20,000, and you would see that they're still looking for a reimbursement of $5,000. Any notes relating to it, that you want to tell any information, and then you click the button to submit this request, and it will then go out. It will then be sent to you, and from that point in time you can then print it and submit it, and so on. There's at that point in time, and then when that is returned to you, sent to the accounting department, they'll then open this, and they can use the expense approved program here to approve it. So in a nutshell, that's how it is conducted. And how you can see, if you go back to the list here, by the way, it does this each time because it's hiding other staff expense sheets. So you only see the expense sheets related to you. So it just comes back to here, okay? And you can see at that point in time exactly what's being told here.